Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Expedia. Getting this right up front makes trip planning smoother, keeps price comparisons accurate, and helps you understand exactly what you'll pay without doing conversions in your head. Start by opening the Expedia website in your browser. You can begin from any section: home, stays, flights, cars, or activities, because the setting is available across the site. Being signed in isn't required, but if you are, Expedia can remember your choice for future visits and across devices, which is handy if you switch between your phone and computer. Next, look to the top navigation bar for the option labeled Currency Country. You'll usually find it toward the upper right, sometimes paired with a small globe or flag icon. Click it to open a panel that controls how prices appear. On smaller screens, the label can be shortened, or it might sit inside a general menu, but it will clearly reference currency or country, so you know you're in the right place. Now choose your preferred currency from the list. You'll see familiar codes and symbols, such as USD, EUR, GBP, CAD, AUD, JPY, and more. Pick the one that matches the money you want to see throughout your search. This changes the display across hotels, flights, rental cars, and activities, making it much easier to compare totals. Remember, this is a display preference. At checkout, your bank or card provider may still convert the charge if it's processed in another currency, and minor differences can occur because of exchange rates or timing. If it makes sense for your trip, adjust the country or region as well. This can influence available deals, language, taxes and fees shown, and some payment options. Choose the region that best aligns with where you're booking from, or the market you prefer to browse. For example, if you live in one place but want to see offers tailored to another, switching the region can surface more relevant prices and promotions. When you're ready, click Save or Apply. The page will update, and you should see prices switch immediately to your selected currency. Take a quick glance at a few listings or the search results to confirm the symbol and code look right. Your choice typically sticks for your current browser, and if you're signed in, it should carry over to future sessions too. That's all you need to do. By setting currency early, you'll keep comparisons consistent and avoid surprises later. If your plans change, just return to the same currency country option and update your selections anytime. Safe travels and happy booking.